Hello everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Thank you for joining us once again. Today I've got another simple recipe and it's also a solution to a problem that I've got in my house. So I bought some bananas for my family and they decided not to eat them, but guess what? It's a blessing because I'm going to make banana bread. So in here I've got my 3 ripe bananas. So what I'm going to do is I am going to mash these bananas. So now to this I am going to add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter. This is 57 grams if you're dealing with grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm just going to give this a mix. You can use a whisk to do this. It's a very simple and straightforward recipe. So now I'm going to pop this to the side for now. And in a separate bowl, I've got here 1.5 cups of plain flour, also known as all-purpose flour in some countries. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking soda, not baking powder, also known as bicarbonate of soda. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick whisk just to mix it. So just to finish off, now I am going to pour the wet ingredients to the dry. And you need to be careful at this point because you do not want to overmix. So I'll just give this a stir until it's just combined. So once you can't see the flour, you stop mixing, it's ready. And now we are going to pour it into our prepared tin, ready to go into the oven. There you go. Such a simple method. In 5 minutes, your mixture is ready to go into the oven. And this takes about 40 minutes to an hour to bake. You just check, it depends on the oven. So once you insert a toothpick or a cake taster and it comes out clean, it means it's ready. And usually the smell tells you, you can smell it from miles away. So I'm just going to pop this into the oven and I'll be back when it's ready. So my banana bread has been baking for an hour and now it's ready. I'm just gonna let it cool in the tray for about 15 minutes. Then I'll take it out, let it cool completely, and then I'll cut it up and enjoy. So there goes the banana bread. I have just cut some slices so you can see. It's nice and it's very brown on the inside, and this is because I used the brown sugar. If you do not like the dark color on the inside, you can substitute the brown sugar with some white sugar. Otherwise, there you go. You've got a very simple recipe for banana bread. So next time, don't throw bananas away. Make banana bread or some smoothies, or you can make some frozen yogurt for the kids. But yeah, don't throw away any overripe bananas.